try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 I can. cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Kick. Good morning, Twitch. There is the link. As Chief the Beast will be here soon. Imagine.
Got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around. Think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't want to get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off.
Hello, Burb. What's happening on the chart right now? We came down, we broke the daily lows, had this push down, have no top wicks. See the top wicks? No top wick. Top wick here, no top wick here. There was our daily low before this push down. Starts this morning. This was our daily low. Daily. All you gotta do is click this, right? G-Flock, okay, let's look at this real fast. When we talk about looking at time frames to see other time frames. See this candle? This candle right here was the 7th candle, right? Wednesday the 7th, you see it? This is the 8th. So this is where our daily opened. Our daily candle opened at 2047.4. Right? So our daily candle opened. We came up. We came down. We had a bottom wick right here. We had a bottom wick. Came up. Made a top wick. So once we flipped here, we have a top wick now. Came all the way down. Now we've made a lower bottom wick. So your bottom wick is here on your daily candle. We've pulled up to here. Again, your open's right here. So we're essentially almost a doji. We've got a top wick here, bottom wick here. If we make it up to this area again, we're just a doji candle. See what I'm saying? So we're bearish right now, but we'll flip bullish once we get back up into this area at 2047.4. So that's how you can see these candles as we're looking at this. Chief! Good morning, Chief. I dropped that link up above. I can drop it again if you want it. If you're ready to share, you don't... Oh, you already are. Ha! You're already sharing. You're faster than me, my guy. You are faster than me. Add you in here. There we go. That is Chief the Beast screen. I may have to start labeling these things. I may work on a template over the weekend, guys. I don't know how many people are going to show up to live trade with us, but Chief, you definitely do. I may try to figure out some way to put a label on your screen so that it lets everybody aware of the fact that you are the one sharing and trading here, because if they're not here right this second, right, they don't know. And you need your due credit, Chief. Yeah, if the daily candle flips bullish, then we can expect to try to test those highs again. Right? Unmute soundboards. No. Sorry. No. I can't do it, G-Flock A. Not because of you. I'm sorry, I can't. Not because of you, G-Flock A. Just now? You mean unmute your soundboard just now? I'll unmute your soundboard. Hey, Paul. Good morning. I will unmute your soundboard right now, G-Flock, but that's it, and then I'm going to remute it, because you don't understand. I can't unmute all the soundboards, right? People come in here and start acting super crazy. All right. You are unmuted. Your thing.
No more oil. We're done, boys.
Oh, that is funny. That's because that I already turned it off. All right, YouTube, Kick, Twitch. You guys have no idea what he's got there. There we are. We're gonna test right there. Here we are. We got a doji on the daily right now. See that candle come up? You're seeing it. This is gonna be a complete doji. We've got a top wick, bottom wick on the daily. Let's see if we flip bullish here. Okay. Yesterday, G-Flock A said oil's going to be delisted. You are sure there's the daily open? I'm sure there's daily open. Daily open was, I just told you, 2047.4 was the daily open. Yes, sir, I am sure. Yeah. That's because the daily open is not at 000. Well, it's not for me anyway. Daily open is 6 p.m. New York time last night. So we are dozy right now. Daily. We'll see. Hold on. We went up first. Daily open was 2047.4. And then went down, made a wick, came back up. You see it. That's fine. Daily hadn't fit bullish yet. You are right. I just did. How are you this morning, Paul?
Yeah, getting back into it again. We had a very rare occasion here the last 2 days. The reason I haven't been about is because the sky was blue and the sunshine was out, and it was above 8 degrees. So technically, it met all the requirements for a summer's day. So I had to do a shitload of stuff. Just things that just had to be done. Trust me, I would have rather been here, but there's just some jobs that have to be done when the sun's out.
Life still happens. We have to do our things that we have to do in life as well, unfortunately.
Yeah. Now, I have nobody to go out and do the shopping or do the cleaning or do any of that kind of stuff for me. So, you know, not that I'm complaining. I'd happily not complaining on any level, but it would be nice every now and again to get somebody to do the shopping. Because I hate shopping. Jeez. It has to be done. Did I miss anything over the last day or two? Any good trades or anything?
You missed a ton. Not so much trades,
right?
But a ton of education and a ton of understanding and going through stuff. But it's all right. We go through this stuff repetition. We go through it over and over again. So it'll all be hit on again. Don't worry about it. You didn't miss anything in them terms. We really there hadn't been a lot of trades, as you can see for gold. We've just been stuck in this area the whole time. I mean, we're right here, stuck in this range. So no, there hadn't been a whole lot going for gold, but hopefully there'll be something good today. But yeah, there's been a lot of conversation because the market's not moving much. So therefore, we've had a lot of time to be stuck with a lot of conversation for sure. Yep.
That's good as well. That's as invaluable as the trades themselves.
Good morning, Manpour.
Good morning, Manpour.
I still wish, and I'll say it, and you guys know what I was looking for. Man, I wish I would have came up and traded in that area up here. Oh, you hadn't been here the last few days, but I have been going to sleep at night and dreaming to wake up and be trading right here in this range, right? So that we can get a break in order to recover this candle right here. You can't see it because my chart here. There. Hold on a second. I'll pull it over. Yeah, I know you can't see it. I'm sorry. There it is.
I can see it on my own. Oh, yep. I can actually see it on my own here and exactly what you're talking about.
I always forget that Chief's screen's there, but yeah, this candle right here, I want to trade up into this area and recover this candle. I've been talking about it for days now. We're still not there. We went down instead, which is fine. We don't know when we'll go up there, but I can't wait until we do get up into that area so we can trade the recovery of that candle.
How far up do you think it's going to go? Will it go back to the 2084 that we had for the all-time high, or will it make it that far, do you reckon?
Well, I mean, you never really know that. I mean, it could very well. But for me, all I'm looking for, right, is to trade up into that range that we're talking about. So essentially we get up into this area trading, and then we can start building stop losses above so that we can break that area and recover that candle. So we'll trade it up all the way through there. It's about 150 tick range. And then obviously if it breaks these highs and continues up, then yeah, absolutely. We'll be testing these highs next. But that's all not going to happen today, I will tell you that. I was hoping maybe yesterday, but not today, not today. If the move up there to weekly open, we won't trade it because it made too big a move and it has some chance of recovering it instead of big bearish candle. Yeah, but I don't think it's going to move there anyway. G-Flock, the whole reason we were talking about it yesterday was because we had a chance of trading up in that area. It's not. I don't believe it'll do it today. I think we're more likely to come here, reject this area here, and maybe take a trade back down. I don't know. Let's see. You know, all we can do is trade what the market gives us. So they're cute, Paul. Oh, we'll see. It is what it is. We're just waiting for an entry. That is it, guys.
I see they've jacked up the price of the CME data as well. The message through there a wee while ago.
Yeah, it went up. That's the second time since I've been paying for it that they've raised the prices on me. It was $4, then it went up to $5, and I believe it's $7 now.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll be 10 here in a couple months.
That's quite.
Kind of ridiculous.
Everything's gone up.
Yep. Yep. 48 ticks is the wick we have on the top of there. Currently, let's see what we do here. I hit on this earlier, guys, and I do want to say this again. I hit on it earlier. With these stop losses, right? When you're looking at stop losses, when we're looking at an area, when we're looking for, you know, like, let's just say we're trading this area right here. Let's just say, right? And so we plan on trading this rejection. This is just a setup. This is no you know, ideal trade or whatever the case may be. I'm just showing a range here, right? If we're trading this, your stop loss will be above this range, let's just say, because this is what we're trading. You want to make sure that any of your entries aren't going to be over your stop loss. I mean, I was hitting on this earlier. Let's check that first. You know, I'll tell you when I'm trading this stuff, right? Like, let's just say that we take this fake out to the low, which probably isn't honestly going to be a trade we take, but let's just say. The first consideration for me is, where's my stop loss? So essentially you want a wick, you want a candle to open up and a wick to come above this level, right? I prefer to test this level right here. So if that's what we get next, right? My first thing, okay, the setup's here because we got a sells below, potential fake out, right? The wick comes up, we have a top wick, right? But my first thing is, what is our stop loss? Where's the low of this candle at? That is the very first criteria that I look at. What am I going to lose? That is the very first thing. You know what I mean? Maybe paying attention to stuff like that, just the stop loss. And I said it earlier, and it made a lot of sense to me. So therefore, I want to tell everybody the same thing, right? Maybe checking where your stop loss is going to be before even looking for a position is a smart thing to do, just because a lot of people are looking for entry first, right? And really, the first consideration is stop loss. You know, where's a good place to put your stop loss on the chart? And if your stop loss is going to be too far away, right, there's not even a point to be looking for an entry. Even if you think, okay, well, the last candle, you know, had a wick or whatever, which is great. I mean, let's say we get a rejection candle here just for fun. Wick comes up, candle comes down, doesn't particularly give you the entry. The next candle comes in, and we come up again, and we have a wick. Well, that's valid again, right? And your stop loss would be above that current candle wick, so that makes your stop loss smaller, which is great. But if we get a candle down into this area here to where we're partially down through the range and trying to take that, that's a little riskier. I mean, essentially, we're still looking at this area as where your resistance is, right? Unless we've already created a range here, so our stop losses are above that range. Does that make any sense? I mean, I'm trying to show you guys all as I'm talking here, and it probably doesn't make any sense, but really, you want to know where your stop losses are. And I mean, what that does for you is that keeps you out of trading in the middle of the range, right? So you want to make sure that your range is conducive to where you're going to be entering your position. You know what I mean? I don't know. Hey, Mr. Y, good morning. What is the green line on the chart? The green line was the daily low. We broke it. But when I open my chart, what I've tried to do is I've tried to put the daily high and low. Red line's daily high. Green line was daily low. Again, I say was because we broke it now. But when I first start out in the morning, I try to put these lines on here so that everybody gets a good understanding of where the daily is, because I put those levels in when I first look at the chart, because I look at the daily in the beginning, right? That makes sense.
Yeah.
Conducive, G-Flock A. Exact meaning, I just Googled it. Making a certain situation or outcome likely or possible. Okay?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that pay. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it?
All right, no bottom wick on the 30, which is pretty decent.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Good morning, Aiden.
Good morning.
Ian,
How's it going, Paul?
too bad, my friend. How's things with you?
Going amazing, man. I just
Good
closed up
to
my
hear.
positions from yesterday.
Excellent.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
And Aiden, if you want to, do you go out the YouTube link if you want to just enter and just say anything? Gotta say something.
Say anything.
Morning, don't matter.
Don't got much to say.
Whatever you want.
Quite tired.
Didn't get enough sleep?
Yeah, I had 5 hours.
A lot.
Barely think.
Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test.
What the world? If I was to guess G Flock A, I would say that is Z.
Well, a coin flip. I don't think you were even in the message, were you?
No, he wasn't. If it's Z, he a lot of times keeps the I believe that he has a something running to where every time the word Z or anything else is mentioned. So if anything's mentioned about
like a bot or
yeah, I think some kind of bot or something, yeah. So whenever he says anything, it ping. That's why he caught that message, because he got pinged that somebody said Z yesterday.
okay. I was like, who jumps into a message that they're not even part of? Like, who does that?
Yeah. I assume it is Z. I assume it's him, and he always talked about the coin flip. That's where the whole coin flip thing started. Was him asking the bot to flip a coin. He'd give it a command and flip the coin. So I assume that's why he's changed his name to Coin Flip. He comes in and out and changes his name a lot to different things. You want to say something on YouTube, Aiden?
I mean, what would I say?
Just, I don't care. Good morning, anything. I have to push the little settings thing to, I don't know how else to make, yeah. There's no other way for me to.
Yeah, my bad, man. I was very confused there.
No, you're fine. Just anything. It don't matter what you say. Good morning, anything, and then I can push it and give you the wrench. I can't do it without you saying something. I don't think how to do it.
Yeah, no, I wasn't even processing what you're saying, honestly.
You're fine. You're fine.
I'm way too tired right now.
You can just shoot an emoji for all I care. It doesn't matter what you do, I don't imagine. It's just gotta have the little thing beside it. There we go.
I thought you were saying, like, you wanted me to educate these people. I was like, what do I say? What you want from me?
Shoot an emoji, just I want to see if it changed anything. Change anything here. Hopefully it does. There we go. That's what I want to see. Yeah. I want to make sure in you know, on Discord it changes the color of your name or whatever. But here it didn't do anything until you messaged. Right. I appreciate it, man.
Yep.
I like this 30-minute candle with no bottom wick, guys. And I like that top wick so far on the 30 and the 1 hour. This is decent thus far. So shorts came in, stop losses were above this level, came up, grabbed the stops. Guys are probably trying to get long at this point. I mean, for for sure, but I feel that way, that longs probably came in. They've been trying to catch this fallen knife the whole time. So, what we need to do next, I mean, we already know. Okay. Get the longs pulled back out now. So let's see if we can get ourselves a entry to grab the long stop losses here. No, I'm not looking for the recovery of the candle. Yeah, I guess, but not look. I thought you were talking about the wick. We're expecting this to fail here. If it doesn't, and we start grabbing support here, then I would be looking for consolidation first. So basically the trade I'm looking at, the way I'm looking at this, guys, and I'll go ahead and just run through it real quick. We've got nothing going on. So if we get a close below here, we want to get a bearish candle first. I'm looking for a bearish candle. Let's say probably the 30, right? Get this here, get the next one up, get a wick up, bearish candle below. We'll try to take a trade back down, right? Or we end up getting a close. Say that's a nothing candle there, but it's a good rejection. Or we get a closure above here, right? And then what we're looking for is consolidation right up here, up top, above this line to fill this range. Once we get consolidation, so we've built stop losses above, then we'll take we could always take a trade long to break them stop losses and continue up to the upside, because now we've basically came down. JJ used to call it a look below, you know, and then you come back in. So you'd call them a look below, a look above, depending on how you look at it, right? This was your daily low, the green line at the time. We came down, looked below, you know, and got bought back up. So if we see something like that to where we can get an opportunity to trade this range, we can try that, only because, man, we've been in the range for so much. We've got clean traffic right here that we made. We've got a wick to recover thus far right here. Obviously, we get another one once we start ranging in here and try to trade this move up to the top of the range, possibly. Again, I'm not expecting that. I'm not saying it won't happen. I'm just not expecting that. I'm more likely to see the move back down here to recover the clean traffic here. But either way, we've got range to move each way. We just have to wait and see how it goes. Good morning, coin flip. But now what we are going to trade on to will recover this candle. Depends on what we're doing here. Good morning, Burb. Yeah, I don't know what. Everybody trades the way they trade, guys. I don't know why we always have these things, man. Oh man, doesn't matter. Everybody trades what works for them. If your strategy is working, then stick with it. Very, 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 very great. That's the whole thing that matters. You want to be all you want to be is consistent. It doesn't matter what strategy you use. I've said this 100 times. Gold will go down. This is just a short recovery. Yeah. That's what we were just talking about. Coin flip. That's what I'm looking for as well. I'm looking for this to come up here, give us a top wick so that we can trade the move back down. That's exactly why I've got the sells below EF there. I'm expecting to move down too. I agree. All right, Aiden. That works. Anybody, G-Flock, I know you were active over there in YouTube chat as well. If you want to run chat, or if you want to chat over there, you can. Chat here, it doesn't matter to me. Where y'all want to be is fine. Yeah. Z circle. He puts them circles on there, G-Flock A, for where he expects price is going to go. Once price gets to that. How he, that's how Z runs it. I have to laugh, coin flip, because I gotta say coin flip, and I gotta say Z is two different things, so that's why I'm laughing.
Fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous.
Oh, G-Flock, your power went down? That is not good.
I just wanna be greatness.
Not good at all.
Yep, I can confirm that. We're in the middle of another bloody storm over here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's never ending.
Yeah, we got some of that. Coin flip. Got some nonsense talk. We did. Yep. I do not blame you at all, sir. Not blame you at all. Yep. Nothing wrong with that. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Hey, Ralph. Good morning, man. How are you this morning? Transactions almost doubled and trades also. Beautiful. Good job. Good job. 4 p.m. in Poland, Ralph. Huh. It's good afternoon to you then, sir. For me, it's just 10 a.m.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make what I really
Yeah. Hand-picked trades also, and mine is more clear. Personal thing. Yeah. That's perfect. That's good. That's... You want your mind to be clear. Absolutely. Whatever you have to do that is absolutely what you should do. Everybody that just showed up, the left-hand top screen is Chief the Beast. I'm going to work on a template or something over the weekend, guys, so that when you guys trade live, the different members trade live, we'll know, everybody will know who's trading here live, right? They get the recognition that they deserve as well.
I didn't actually realize that was what do you call him, Chief the Beast's screen. I thought it was just you with another screen open there on the left hand side.
Yep, nope, that's Chief the Beast. That's why I want, I want everybody to give recognition. He's been trading live for a little while now, so I want everybody to know that, you know, it's him trading live here, and he's been winning trades right here on the live stream, and it's a great thing. This is what we do this for, you know. I do it so that all you guys are winning just the same. So yeah, that is his screen. He goes to MetaTrader when he places a trade, and you know, everybody can run along with him just the same, right? Hey Jeff, how's it going? Anybody else that wants to trade live, exactly the same thing. I've got the video link. I can drop it again for any of you that want to. I can put as many of you guys' screens on here as you want. And like I said, I'll try to get some kind of template together over the weekend so that I can, you know. You shared your screen too, Jeff?
That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't
All right, there is Jeff's screen, guys. Sitting there. Give me 1 sec. There you go, guys. I doubled the same screen. Hold on a second, guys. There you go. Jeff's screen is the bottom one, and Chief the Beast is the top one, guys. Yep, this is not a bad place. Go ahead and...
Reality, I just missed that last little thing you did there with the 2 cell SLM. What was that?
What are you saying now? This is just, I just right clicked it and placed an order there.
Oh, is that a sell? So you're going short now, are you?
Yeah, I'm going to go short once it breaks that level. Yeah. Take a short
so that's
there.
a limit order you just put.
Correct.
Is there a setup?
It's a limit. There is a setup. Yeah, this is exactly what we were looking for. I wanted to wait for the 30 close. That's the only thing I'm not. And if it doesn't push here pretty quickly, I will wait for the 30 close. Just right at 30 ticks. I'm only doing it on eval, guys. The eval that we've got with Lilo because of the stop loss. So anybody that's trading eval, perfect. I'm not going to trade this on my PA accounts because of the stop loss. It's going to be about 31 ticks. So just so everybody's clear. So this is LB right here is the Lilo account instead of the PA account that I normally run it on. Okay? Because stop loss is going to be just above this level right here. So we're going to be at like 25, 5.9, 25.8, 25.9. I will put the stop loss at 245.9. Again, like I said, this is just eval, and we're going to try to back down here. below that. Yeah, we've got our second TP below that. We'll pull the second TP as we go. Right? That's how we'll run it down. You can't see the entry there? You should be able to. Again, this is just an eval trade, guys. So if we get to the point to where we get a good 30-minute close and we can get an opportunity there, we will take that on a PA account. No, this is not on PA, bro. That's what I just said. Not on PA. This is just a eval trade. All right. Yeah, eval. I would have waited for a 30-minute close on PA, but I thought Manpour was here. I just noticed Manpour's not even here. That was one of the biggest reasons of taking this trade. I would have known he was here. I'm ready to have passed on it. He's supposed to be the one trying to pass eval, so I'm taking more risky trades on his behalf, and he's not here. All right, it is what it is. Good morning, Prozzy. No, I don't know how he's not here, but yeah, he's not here. He's trying to pass that eval, so that was one of the reasons that he's been egging me, telling me we need to take trades, For me, I don't need to take trades, but this was a decent setup, so I was going to go ahead and take it on eval, hoping that he could get a piece of it to get a little bit out of drawdown, but he's not here, so it is what it is. But if we do get a close on the 30 that gives us another setup, I will enter on PA for that trade. If that makes sense to you guys. Yes. Yes, Burb, it is risky. That's why I took it on eval, and I told everybody it was risky. Whoever's taking it on, you know, whoever's following along, make sure that they realize that I'm on eval. The purpose was for Manpour to take it, and then I take it, and I look over here and see that Manpour's not even in the Discord. So
I just messaged them there just to let them know that there's a trade on.
Yeah, it's all right. Like I say, that was the purpose, and though, not gonna lie. So we'll see how it plays out, but yeah. And if we get a real good 30-minute close, I will again reopen the position. I guess I will open the position on the PA accounts. And we'll just run that as well. Good morning, Abdullah. Burb reminds you of Burb? Okay. Burb is unique for real. I agree with you, Chief the Beast. 100%. 6 minutes. See if we can get a decent close here. Yeah, Abdullah. That's I mean, that is what we're trading here is gold. That's fine, Abdullah. I don't know that I can comment back and forth to you right this second, but yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as I have chances. But yeah, absolutely, you can contact me in DMs. Now, what we hope, I shouldn't say that, but Paul, you understand what I'm saying. What we hope here is that this position loses. This position loses on eval like this, then man, poor can't say that it was him that lost. Maybe it'll build his confidence some.
Yes. That's a very, very, very valid point, yes. There's nothing worse. I think you're on the losing end all the time. It's right. It's sold.
Yeah, and that's the problem. And he claims every time he takes a trade, it is the one that loses, and every time he doesn't, it doesn't. So I mean, I almost bad as I don't want the position to lose. I guess I mean it doesn't matter to me, and it's on eval. I could care less, guys. Honestly, you shouldn't care about any position at the end of the day if you're consistent with what you do, anyways. But I even care less when it's on eval. But as much as you want it to work. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it would definitely be a trade worth losing just for that fact. I understand where you're coming from.
1 second. Do we have news coming up? Well, yeah, because he thinks every time he takes a trade's when the trade loses, right? And that's not the case. This is a lower probability trade than I would take on my PA, and that's why this is just an eval trade. But at the same time, you know, I'd like to see a trade lose when he's not here so he can say, hey, it looks
like we're going to get your wish.
yeah, which works out. And like I said, we'll take a PA trade if the 30 trade turns out right. But this was a higher risk because Manpour was trying to pass, you know, eval, so we took one with this little more higher risk than what I would take on my PA account, but is what it is.
You were right.
Yeah. This is why, this is why I don't take as many trades, and that's what a lot of people complain about. And all you guys on YouTube, Kick, Twitch, it's the same thing. This is why I don't take a lot of positions, because you only want to play out your, you know, super A+ setups. That's how I trade. I don't have to take, you know, 5 trades a day, or, and now I sure hope it don't work out after I say all this. I don't have to take 5 trades a day. I don't have to take all these things because I don't need to. It doesn't matter to me. I want to take positions that are going to have a high probability of working out, right? So, and this one was a lower probability, so this is what happens. So taking all the trades in order to have a lower probability isn't going to help, you know, your P&L. It's not going to help your capital at all. That's the thing.
You just proved the point there.
Yeah. And I mean, this is why, I mean, everybody sits here and says, okay, well, I got a trade. Well, having a trade is just wanting to take losses. That's the problem. So
Do crypto if you want that. Trust me. I'm still trying to kick crypto.
Exactly. Yep. And that's the difference. Exactly. And I mean, CoinFlip's talking about it right here. All the transactions on crypto. Completely different thing, guys. We're not talking about crypto here. You could take 1 million transactions on crypto every day. Yes, you're exactly right, CoinFlip. I'm not saying that you're not, but it's not the same thing on futures or Forex or things of that nature. Crypto, yeah, there's 1 million coins in crypto. You can find manipulation in every single one of them. You can find stop losses in every single one of them, and you can take millions of trades a day. I get what you're saying there, and I'm not disagreeing with you. This space isn't that way. You know, you pick your hand-picked trades and you make sure that you make good entries and everything else. So,
speaking of crypto, Bitcoin just took a square bounce there.
Did it?
Back up now to 45.5. Or jump.
Yeah. Really do have to break the highs here in order to grab the stops before I'd want to get in on a 30-minute close here. Honestly, I'd like to see the highs broke. So, I mean, I expect this to get hit. I want this to get stopped out in order to get involved in a PA trade. I know how bad that sounds, but it's true. I'd like to see the highs get took so that the stops are grabbed there from the shorts before making a move back down. So there it is. So we should come up and grab this level now. That would be the thoughts here, hopefully. And then we may have an opportunity to actually get a good trade there. And this is what we were talking about, G-Flock earlier, as we were talking about this level. Let me pull this screen back up. We were talking about testing this level right here, remember? And that's what we're still hoping for. Does that make sense? Come up here and get a wick and a rejection up to this level here. Then you can come back into this range and trade this back down if we're going down, right? If not, then it's going to hold above here. And I will tell you guys, we talked about this morning as we started the stream for any of you that weren't here. And that will be our opportunity to actually take a, you know, a high percentage short back down. So that's why we didn't take that on PA, because that's what we're looking to test first. And if you guys, I mean, anybody wants to see it, you can just go back to the stream. We spoke about it. Yeah, coin flip trades crypto. Flock, and everybody else. I don't know why everybody's having all these issues. He trades crypto exactly how I used to trade crypto. That's how you trade crypto. It's a very different thing. You trade overextension. You trade reversion to the mean. These are the things that you trade when you trade crypto. That's not anything that works with futures. Yeah. Well, that's because you guys aren't trading that stuff. Nothing wrong with that. It just is what it is, right? Whole different thing, though. You don't trade crypto the same as you trade futures. It's just not the same thing. You can wait for, I mean, for crypto, you can wait for it to get extended, you know, 16 to 32% and trade it back, and it's almost guaranteed money every single time. Very, very unlikely not to be, to where you can get extended, you know, on gold and it doesn't matter. It doesn't care about overextension. It doesn't make a difference to it. Crypto's just a different space, guys. If anybody wants to trade crypto, he is the guy to listen to. I mean, he's still actively trading crypto all day, every day. A very good explanation, Coinflip. $1,000 gold short now. Yeah, I would like it to test this level right here first. Honestly. Not saying it won't go down. I would love to come up here and test this first before I go with a EA trade anyway. I'd like a better setup. I'd like a better top wick for sure. But I am in agreement. I still see gold going down. Still think it's good trading short here, I will be honest with you. One-minute talk. Yeah. I hope we actually get to moving. Super, super, super nice. I don't really have any thoughts, Ralph. I'll be honest with you. Why? What's your thoughts?
Speaking of tit, actually, we haven't seen Mr. Bio for a while, or maybe I just missed him.
Yeah, it's been a little bit. He was here. He was here, but he just popped in, you know. I think it was a couple days ago, but he just popped in and popped out. But yeah, he was talking about couches.
Right, at the same time as buying a Lamborghini?
No, he wasn't buying a Lamborghini that day. He was selling couches.
Oh, selling couches, okay.
I mean,
Nothing
if he
went-
sells enough of them, maybe
Yeah.
that Lambo.
True.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, well, who is it? It's a Mattress Mac, right? He's got a Mattress Mac. He's got a furniture store in Texas, I believe, Houston, something like that. And he's a big sports bettor, and he makes tons and tons and tons of money. Gives away all kinds of free stuff, everything else. If like he's into like baseball betting or something, but I give away free mattresses, all kinds of stuff if the Astros win. But if they don't win, then everybody has to pay for their stuff. So essentially, he gets tons and tons of sales off of these publicity promotions. And it's funny because he's got so much money placed on the other side of the game. So like for the Astros to win, he's got so much money placed on the Astros to win that he can afford to give away all of the mattresses for free. And then if they don't win, right, now everybody's got to pay for their mattresses. So therefore that covers his bet. Pretty creative guy, but
That's very smart. That's very
yes,
smart
it is.
indeed.
Yep. Yep, exactly. Oh, jeez. No, there was nothing wrong with the trade, G-Flock. It was a higher risk trade. That's why when we talked about it when we first started this morning, we were talking about coming up and testing that level before going down, and that's where I'd trade PA, but it was an eval trade. So I thought Manpour was in the channel, so I thought he was here in BC, and he's looking to get back green on his eval account. So I thought that we'd take one that was a little more risky, but that's why it was on eval and not on PA, right? So nothing wrong with the trade per se.
Instead of searching inside for what they gave him, a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I want to be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so.
Put the stop loss in the wrong place. Yeah. Single entry. Well, you got to enter single entries when you're doing futures. For the most part, get over your head really quick. No, set up an entry wasn't great, Verb. No, because I still expect it to come up and test this level right here. But looking for that. In order to keep out of that, you would have had to have a stop loss that was fairly large, and a stop loss that big, like CoinFlip's saying, a stop loss that big would have blew your evaluation account. One trade. Yeah, NAS. I hadn't even looked at NAS yet. I still expect this to go all the way up. So, essentially, if you would have took your entry, I forgot exactly what the entry was. Let's just figure this for a minute. About the break of this low, I think it was actually... I don't even think the low was broke. Unusual. I thought our entry was 43.9. Anyway, it don't look like it was broke, so we might have got slipped just a little bit into that position, honestly. I don't think we actually broke the lows. That's one issue. But, like, we expect to test this level. I don't know where CoinFlip's talking about the stop loss, but if you were to put it up above this level, which is what I'm expecting he's thinking, so about 50 ticks, that's $1,000 stop loss. Talking about here, that would have been $1,000 stop loss. It obviously isn't undoable, just is what it is, right? You got to be real careful on a eval account how far you go, though, because your drawdown's only $2,500. That'll blow the account pretty quick. So basically, you let them run when they go into profit and chase them with a stop loss, and you put your stops tight so that you lose little and essentially make big. Only real way to do it, my stop loss was where it was because I expect if this high is broke like it was, that this price will push up now and test this level. So, will it go higher than that? Possibly. If it breaks that, absolutely. So I had no reason to still be in the trade once that high was broke. If we're going to trade past that high being broke, then we can find a new entry. I'm not just going to let it continue to run into the red. I expected once that high was broke, we're going to go up. Stop losses are hit now. It will push the price up until we find the next resistance. But it's up to you guys how you manage stop losses. That is completely a personal thing. For me, I want the quickest way to cut a trade. So, the littlest loss, and I can always re-enter. So I'm going to get out. First thing, get out, set the loss, and find the next trade to get, you know, get your red back, or however you want to look at it, right? But that's just for me, and everybody trades differently. This candle here should close above this level. Got about 10 minutes. Should probably get a close above here. I mean, hopefully. Get a close above here. And then we get a top wick up into this area. And then a push down if we're going to come back down. So essentially here. Test this level. Get a close above. Next candle come in with a wick above. Give us a close back below. Move down if we're going down. If not, come up here, make a bottom wick, come back up into this area. Once we find support, you could be potentially looking for a move back up. But let's see how this candle closes first. Nothing to do with testing the daily open, Chief Lock A. When we first came in this morning, we talked about testing this level before moving down. We said we wanted to see the next candle open up, make a wick up into this area, and reject that area and then come back down. That was why I didn't take it on the PA account, was because we expected that to happen first. Which could play out now. I mean, maybe, maybe not. If so, it'll give us an entry to enter. No, we haven't tested this level yet. Where's the test at? Me. So far we haven't got it. No, we didn't make a wick to it. See it? Didn't it? Not yet. No wick to it yet.
I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't want to get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I want to chase a bag. I want to weigh, I can chase.
Hopefully my microphone's still good for you guys here in Discord. I don't know.
Still clear. There's no crackling or any of those issues you had there the last week.
That's good. That's what I was worried about, because that happens a lot of times when it resets like that. I don't know why it doesn't. The stop loss talk was about that I trade zones. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I see what you're showing there. That's fine, but that would have been that would have completely blown an eval count. That stop loss that you're looking at right there, right? If your stop loss was up there, coin flip, that would have blown your eval. You couldn't have endured that stop loss. That's the issue. There's the test we're looking for, Chief Lock. Okay, now you see it? That's what we said was going to happen when we first started out this morning. Oh, you would short there with 500 limit orders. Yeah. For me, if we get up there, I'm not really looking for a short anymore. Unless we get above it. And still, I'll probably be looking more to go the other way at that time, but yeah. But you can't do 500 orders on here. You get a total of 10 contracts. But yeah, I see what you're saying. There's more to it for me than just an area, though. I mean, that's not how I trade anymore. That's how I used to trade when I traded crypto, but for me, that's not how I trade anymore. A lot has to go on for a reaction of an actual area rather than just, that's an area, yeah. I have a full short fill at the moment right now. Yeah, no, this isn't a short for me. This is where I'm expecting a reaction to happen, but it hadn't happened. Right? I mean, this is what we're talking about. This is where I expect to see a reaction, and that's to move down, absolutely. But until that reaction happens, I'm not. It's just as likely to take this level, make support, and move up. There's absolutely no reason to believe that it's going to go down right now. None. I mean, not for me. Maybe there is for other people, but for me, I have absolutely no reason to think that, you know. But again, I don't trade like everyone else either. I don't trade, you know, an order block either. Something hits an order block or hits a Fibonacci or hits a this or hits a that doesn't mean that I'm going to enter a position because it hits that, and that means that, you know, it should go down. Just my trading style. Why I trade reactions and not predictions. Again, everybody can trade the way they want to trade. But that was I mean, that's just me, and that's the reason that I put the stop right here. This was the reason for it. This is what I expected the reaction would be after taking those highs. I expected it to move back. That's exactly why I put it there. Why would I still be in drawdown at this point? You know, for me, that doesn't make any sense. Why would my stop be, you know, up here right now? I mean, that's just for me, though. Moved another 24 ticks up thus far. Another $480. As long as you guys on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick are going to stay active, I'll go ahead and let the live stream run, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Looks like we're putting on a bottom wick here. Let's see how it does. If we come down and put on a pretty substantial bottom wick down, could get more of a move to the top side, guys. I don't know if me and Poor ever got back to you, Paul, but he said that he was having internet issues.
No worries. It's not like I'm not to be here. Jesus.
With the Beast, are you in a trade? I think you're in one, right? Can't quite tell. Looks like. On gold, yeah. I mean, it should eventually, maybe go down. I don't know. Coin. Bottom wick here, honestly. But maybe it just pushes down. But normally, what you'll see is you'll see a bottom wick put in, and it'll flip the high, and it'll go up and recover some of this. And Yeah. Yep, makes sense, makes sense. Coin Flip uses a lot of different stuff on his chart that helps him with how he trades. Everybody trades how they trade, though. Yeah, but there's... It is what it is. I don't keep a whole lot on my charts, but I used to keep all kinds of stuff on my charts. Just depends on what works for you, right? You got disconnected, Burb. You've been struggling with that internet. Yeah, you get a lot of that coin flip. You don't see people trade live, in my opinion. You don't take a lot of... You don't heed a lot in what they say. That's me. That's why I've been spending more and more time. I mean, I spent 7.5 hours live trading yesterday. Trying to spend as much time as I can on live so that people can see what it is that I'm doing at all times, you know? It doesn't bother me any. I think I actually said this to the people on YouTube yesterday because somebody was asking different opinions of different traders and so on and so forth. And I said, well, just, you know, ask them to trade live along with them. You know, that is the best way to figure out, you know, if somebody's a good trader or not. Just like the ICT talk, if you put money on who wins in a tournament of him and his haters, I put it on ICT. Well, so far he hasn't ever won nothing in any of them tournaments. Oh, he can't even. So far he hasn't even been able to pass a eval account. I don't know. Supposedly, Vinny's trying to get him to enter the Robbins Cup this time. Vinny's been trying to get him to enter several competitions, and Vinny showed up. Vinny's won plenty, but ICT will not show up. I don't know why. Like I said, I don't know any specifics on it, but I do know that thus far ICT will not show up to a competition and trade against Vinny. I would love to see it. They like to talk a lot. So far, they have not traded, and that's all Vinny's been asking him to do. Show up, trade. Let's do a competition. Let's see it in real life. Live trading in front of everyone. Yep, Vinny trades a lot. He live trades. He's won several competitions. Again, I'm not giving no hate to ICT. I don't know. You know, maybe, I don't know what his reasonings are for not showing up to these competitions, not taking any of these challenges. I don't know. Maybe he's got some kind of reason that makes sense. I don't know. All I know is thus far, he's said that he's going to do all these things and has not, will not trade live, will not prove it. You'd think he'd want to prove it at this point. I don't know. Yeah, and you could be right, CoinFlip. He could be banking with the social media attention. That may be how he's making his money. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Don't know, don't want to, it's not for me to get in the middle of, guys. But I just know that, I actually know of prop firm owners that have, offered ICT free accounts. All he's got to do is pass the challenge. That's it. He refuses to do so. Can he or can he not? You use your own judgment for that. I don't have a clue. I will tell everybody this day and age, there's a lot of scammers out there. A lot of things go on. Just make sure that you have, you know, trading. I mean, that's what you want to do. Hey, Phils.
Hello, everybody.
How's it going today?
It's going very good. I just woke up.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yes, my sleep schedule is getting better.
Good.
I went to bed last night at 9 p.m.
That's good too. A little early. That's beautiful. That's good. That's good. If it's helping, then absolutely.
Yes, I'm having very vivid dreams.
That works. That works.
I'm backtesting in my sleep. I have honed the ability to lose dream, so I can backtest training view in my sleep.
That's a skill everybody wants to do.
100% win rate. 100% win rate. Very good. Very nice.
Yep, you are right.
Sleep.
That works. You are right, CoinFlip. That's the thing, and that's why I tell all these guys that are on YouTube and asking. You know, I always say, you want to know if a trader's real or not. You know, you want to know if they'll do well or not. Just trade along with them live. You know, watch them trade live. Pay attention to that. Go from there. So, and yes, Ralph. Phil's is currently on 100% win streak with when he's sleeping with his back testing. Yes.
Yes, I have also already won the Robbins Cup.
Oh, he's already won Robbins Cup. See, we were just talking about these competitions, Phils, right before you showed up, because we were having a discussion about ICT and Vinny.
Yes,
so we were just
ICT. This is my favorite.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and then there's that.
Yes, he claims he's going to win the Robbins Cup this year, but unfortunately for him, I already won it in my ring.
So Phil's is visualizing now, guys. He's visualizing the victory. This is what you're supposed to do. Much better that way.
Yes. I even predicted that gold would go down today. Unfortunately, I did not wake up early enough to make it happen in reality.
What's up?
Soon, I will be trading on a funded account in my dreams. I will be posting the results live.
Huh? That works. It'll work for sure for entertainment purposes, if nothing else. So.
Yes. Now tell me, when are you going to do a funded in a day? Pass funded in a day?
On March.
You said you were going
8th.
to do the thing where you
Is that?
enter
Yeah.
positions randomly and then you get out skillfully.
No. We're doing full port Friday. I think it's March 8th.
Yes.
If that's a Friday, then we're doing full port Friday. Coin flip, full port. We're gonna get a bundle account, and every hour. Yeah, make sure that it's March 8th. I think it is. It's that Friday.
Yes, it's a Friday. March
Okay.
8th. Yes.
Yep, that's the day we're going to do it. Live, YouTube, Twitch, Kick. That whole week, guys, we are going to have giveaways. We are going to give away magic keys and copy traders and funded accounts. And that week is the week anniversary. And we are going to be giving away... or the year anniversary, I'm sorry, the week anniversary. That week is going to be the year anniversary of the Discord, and we're going to be giving away all kinds of stuff on, we'll do it on, maybe we'll just do it live on YouTube, Kick, Twitch, all you guys. Maybe we'll just do it all the way around. We'll see. I don't know exactly, but yeah.
Yes.
That is the plan for that week, guys. It's going to be everyday giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff, but on that Friday, Phil's is exactly right. We are going to do a full port Friday. Coin flip, and it's gonna be fun.
Please describe for the people what you mean by full port coin flip.
What we'll do is we'll take an eval count, we'll flip a coin, and we will do 10 contracts, whatever way the coin says to go. Fun stuff, huh?
Yes.
We're going to try to get a bundle account with Lilo, so we'll have like 5 chances, 3 chances, 5 chances, depending on what they're doing at that point in time. So I'm hoping 5. So what we'll do is we'll flip a coin every hour for 5 hours and full port each eval count. It will be either a 3K TP or a $2,500 hit the stop loss. And even if we win one account, because you can only pass one, right? Even if we win one, we'll go ahead and play the rest of them out the same way because it's got doesn't matter either way. So we'll go ahead and do the 5 either way. 1 per hour for 5 hours, guys. Imagine if you win all 5. I don't assume so, Chief the Beast. I will be surprised if we win 1. But maybe I'm wrong. It would be funny. It would be funny. I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, everybody wanted me to do that. We've taken all kinds of votes. I can't give away the one I win. I wish I could, G-Flock, I would love to do that. I would love to give away the funded once it's passed. I mean, I don't think they'll allow us to do that. That's a disadvantage. I'll try to work it out. I haven't been able to work out anything with them yet to give away that way because the problem is they put the accounts in a name and they won't let you transfer them. Something we've been trying to work out with the companies as it is. Some way to pass on accounts if we purchase them. Yeah, that's great, G-Flock, and that isn't the a thing that's not, but the problem is you had access to all of them. all of the, if you know what I'm saying. I can't, you had, if he had any, yes. So you had access to every single one. So if he would have had 5 at the time, you had access to all of them. Understand that. I'm telling you how it would work, though. Some people don't just have one. Well, I don't know then. That's the same thing, though. Yeah, you can't give it to a single account. You give it, it's for all of them. Yeah. I don't see much happening here. YouTube, Twitch, Kick. Does anybody have any questions? I'll talk to you as soon as I shut down the stream, G-Flock. Anybody? Any you guys got any questions? YouTube, Twitch, Kick? Like I said, we will be having all them giveaways in March, so it's a few weeks away. But make sure you guys show up for the live streams. Keep up to date on all that, because I will be doing giveaways and contests and everything else for that whole entire week, along with the Full Port Friday and doing the coin flips, everything else. So you guys show up so you can all be part of it. If he has any questions, I will go cut YouTube, Kick, Twitch down, guys. Have a great afternoon or evening, depending on where you are. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning.